use our resources on the planet to get energy. So there's lots of volcanoes on Io, and so we made these pipes that go from a volcano and extract lava from it and put it in this lava pit. And then there's a giant, and we use the heat to like heat everything. And then there's like water wheels, like when they spin, they make electricity. Mm-hmm. Well, we have a lava wheel in here, and it spins. The lava spins it, and it makes electricity that way. And then it all goes to this power generator. We also have some solar panels here, here, and here. And they also get extra energy. Here's our exquisite ice melting thing that we got from Europa. Get back from Europa, then we melt it, send it back to people. And we separate the hydrogen and oxygen. And here is our research mining drill. We mine for resources that could help us. Like, they're like looking for stuff. Yeah.
And we have lots of living areas, and this is one of them. Got some interesting stuff on top of it. And this is the air filter. It filters the air, and actually it's a water filter also. And another living area, and this is a living space with a humongous IO gift shop on it. And there is downtown, which has everything, sports stadiums, everything fun, restaurants, and you don't really have to go out of the building unless you're going towards the power generator or like over here, because like you can just come up from downtown into any building basically. And yeah.
So here is the H2O and oxygen tank, and it's split down the middle. And half is H2O and half is oxygen, and that's where we split this up. Here is the communicator that we use to communicate with other planets. I mean rooms. And it's also like a satellite. Yeah, it can communicate with us. This is more living area. These are like slash living area slash office buildings. Yeah, and then this is the almighty Capitol building, and the Starbucks, and that's our flag, and that's another our flag. Oh yeah, and that's another of our flags.
Okay. Whoa.
Okay, so right down here, I don't know if you can see it, is the hydrogen storage tank. And then right here we have the launch pad and spaceship. And then we have a science lab for splitting atoms and stuff like that. And this is the control tower with its 3, 2, 1, go thing. And this would be the thing that wakes us all up in the morning. And then these are the emergency air tanks, and this is the emergency crash landing zone. Okay. We have a sewage system.
Just 1 second, if you could scoot back and point to it so they can see.
Okay, so we have a sewage system that goes from everywhere downtown and stuff. And it goes to this one to a treatment plant. And then that goes like through tons of pipes like way over here. And then it goes to a leach field. And so we have there so it doesn't stink. And then we also have a Land Rover garage where a Land Rover is. And it has a mining drill on it for mining for stuff like that one, except it's in like those places for like this. Any questions?
Nothing.
What's the radar for? Oh, yeah. The radar is to communicate with our Land Rover and spaceship, and it can communicate with the other moons. So, what?
Radar is actually for tracking things like spaceships and asteroids. figure out if one's going to hit our station.
Yeah.
Any more questions?
Emma.
What is your lava wheel made out of? It's made out of lava-proof stuff that like doesn't melt, like
crushes it and like so creating energy.
it has like diamond stuff on it, like it's not like pure diamond, but it has like diamond coating on it, so it's like really hard and it can last the heatness of lava.
Pedro.
How do you not like burn to death when you go places? Oh, diamonds? Well, yeah, but that's just a truck. So.
So everything's indoor, basically. We never have to go to the farther, the closest we get to Lost Plant is the power generator.
And it still has like concrete stuff on like the outside, so it's like pretty impossible.
We're never
to
really
burn.
close to the energy stage.
Why do you need some? What's the thing that wakes you up? How does it wake you up?
Well, you know how the trumpet sounds in camps? Same thing.
It's not really to wake us up.
It's like if emergency happens, it, like,
emergency
goes.
evacuating thing.
It's a statue, but it has like a real mic on it that like honks and stuff.
Yeah, it's not to wake us up in the morning. It's to like evacuate
Oh.
or emergencies.
It's honking right now because we have holes in the sewage.
Okay.
There's no sound in space.
It's not like
Yeah, it radars it.
Just
Yeah.
got some deep
it radars it everywhere. Yeah.
That was my question. If there's no air there, how do you get the sound?
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that was our answer.
Any more questions?
How about one more question? Can someone think of one more question? I have a question then. What would you do if you saw an asteroid coming to your moon?
Okay.
Okay, we're covered.
This
These are the weapon systems in the sci-fi.
Okay. We have developed a small point defense system, which is mounted right here. It will shoot a laser beam at an asteroid, and then hit it with a missile. So then
A laser missile or just a
no,
missile?
just a laser. Like it's a small laser, then it makes a small laser. Yeah.
And then I'll like make it into little tiny pieces. Pretty much.
That will never.
Okay, well let's give him a hand.